In this lecture, I will discuss two important topics of AutoCAD, that are measurements and dimensions. Measurements. In this command, we can use measurements command for the measurement of area, distance, radius and angle. Short key for the measurements is MEA. Dimensions. If we want to manufacture any machine part, or if we want to make the plan of any building, then we have to make the dimensions of the building, like what is the width of the wall, length of the room, width of the room, okay, what is the drawing area, what is the dimensions of bathroom. So all types of things can be done with the dimensions. A good AutoCAD drawing will convey the needed information clearly and accurately, okay, with the help of dimensions. Dimensioning is used to let the drawing reader, means the person who is reading the drawing, know what size each length or curve is without having to open the drawing and measure it. Okay. uh, the dimension which is written on the drawing, the reader do not need to measure with the scale. The reader can read the dimension and execute its purpose or his purpose. Here are different type of dimensions, okay, like linear, just like here in the measurement, different types: quick dimension, quick measurement, distance measurement, radius measurement, angle measurement, area, volume, etc. Similarly, in dimension, various types of dimension, okay, linear, align dimension, angular, arc length, radius, diameter, center mark, okay, rotated, spacing, continue, baseline, etc. Okay. For example, linear dimension, I will do not in discuss in text, I will just show in the practice. For example, for linear, you have to, for example, if there is a line, you will pick the first point and the second point and then hit the enter, you will get the dimension of that linear line, okay, that is written in this text. Now I will show you the practice. Here is the drawing window. First of all, I will just draw some small rectangles, okay, rectangle, also circle, okay, I will make circle also separately. Okay, now first of all, if I want to measure the area of this circle, of this rectangle, of anything, okay, that is very simple. You will go in the home, okay, you can also type ME, shortcut key MEA, okay, here measure geometry, that is the command, okay. Then software is asking what do you want to measure: distance, radius, angle, area, volume, quick, mode, exit. Okay, for example, if I want to measure the distance, I will type D, enter. Software will ask for me specify first point. I will specify first point, then specify second point, okay, then hit enter. Okay, software also displayed the distance at the top, 4.46, okay, then you will hit enter. Here you will see the distance 4.46. Now I will show you how to measure the area of any shape. Okay, you can just go here, click area. You can also select angle, you can also measure angle, radius. Okay, now I will click area. Okay, you have to here specify first point. I will specify first point, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Okay, then press enter. Software will give me the area of this shaded area which I have selected. Enter. Okay, area is this 7.105, okay, and the perimeter of this rectangle is 13.1748. okay. Similarly, if I want to measure the here for example I will just write select quick Q, enter, and I will just go into the close shape here, just like here, that I am clicking the inside of the circle. Okay, when I have just clicked, now you will see the area of this circle, that is 7.3621, and the perimeter is 9.6185. Okay, similarly you can also try what is radius. Okay, for example radius, again I will type MEA. Okay, now I will select radius. Okay, select this. Software is giving me the radius 1.5308. I will just press enter. Here the diameter is double, so you can see. Okay, so now I will show you the next part, that is the dimensioning. That is here the annotate. In the AutoCAD, the dimensioning, the other name of dimensioning is annotate, or we can also call the annotation. Okay, there are different type of annotation. For example here, by default linear dimension, I will just select this point, here you can see the dimension. Okay, similarly there are different type of dimensions. Align. Okay, align, for example if the line is inclined, okay, press enter. If I go the for example here, if I just select the linear will give me the horizontal or vertical distance, or either vertical distance. Okay, the align will give me the distance along the length, along this line. Okay, this is aligned. Okay, there is other dimensions also: angular, arc length, radius, diameter. Okay, that is even the coordinates you can see. Now I will show the other beautiful function of the dimensioning is, for example here, first of all just I will draw a simple dimension from this point to this point. Okay, now I will select first baseline, then I will show you the continuous. What is baseline? I have selected here. Okay, from this point, this reference point, all the dimensions are making, software is making. You have to draw the first dimension, then select baseline. Okay, then software will automatically draw the rest of the dimensions. Okay, now the second is the again I will show you another method of, for example I will just pick linear dimension, click from this point to center here, this dimension. Now I will select the continuous. Software will continuous from this dimension, like here, keep writing. Okay, enter. Okay, software has automatically drawn the dimensions. If I want to mark the center of the circle, sometimes I do not get the center point of the circle here, center mark. Just select the circle, software will automatically mark the center of the circle. Okay, so there are different settings of this dimension styles. Okay, here are the settings. Okay, now currently you are saying this much size, so we can change, for example create new style. I am making training. Okay, start with the standard, continuous. Okay, now I can change. Here you are seeing arrows. Okay, I can also change the color. Okay, for example color is yellow. Okay, now that is the dimension lines color. Okay, line type, line weight, you can make the more thicker lines. Okay, accent, baseline spacing. Okay, you can here increase, or in the symbols and arrow you can play with these dimensions. Okay, in the symbols and arrow, here is the arrows. You can use dots, you can use box fill. Okay, in the symbols and arrow you can put the arrow size, increase the height, etc. Now in the text, Okay, sometimes when you make the dimension of the bigger drawings, the dimensions you see with this smaller size. Here you can increase the size of the text. For example, if I increase the size to 1, okay, now you can see this dimension size is too big. Okay, okay, okay. If I select any dimension and go and apply here training, now you are seeing that there is the size is too big. Okay, so if you want to change the size of the text or the any the arrow size or the extension from the object, okay, so you can change in this here settings training. You can again modify. I will go back in the text and write it to 0.18. Okay, it will again come back to its original position. And okay, this is by default will be okay. Primary units, that is also much important. Okay, we can use either engineering, okay, architectural. Okay, architecturals mean in the decimals form. Okay, all okay. Okay, okay, this is the training which we have changed. Now I will just show how to make measure the radius, or here measure radius. Okay, display anywhere. Okay, now if now uh, I will measure the diameter of this circle. Okay, here dia symbol. Now I will also want to change to back to standard. Okay, with the arrow. So that's how dimensioning works in AutoCAD. Okay, so that's all for the measurements and dimensioning. Have a nice day.